I'm going to show you 3 ways to make your first $1,000 with System.io. Now, this is perfect if you're a complete beginner and you want to start making money online absolutely free. Let's get into it. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated. I started my online business in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting that business, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job, and now I do this full time. I love it. I love getting up in the morning, creating content for you guys, and helping you guys leave your 9-to-5 job. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into the video. Now, guys, if you've never heard of System.io, really quickly, I want to show you what it is, and then I'll show you how we can make money with this program, okay? So basically, it's an all-in-one business solution that helps you build your email list, create funnels, build websites, create webinars, everything pretty much that you need for an online business. Now, the crazy thing about this software is it's absolutely free to use, which is a game changer because when I started, I had to pay for all these softwares, okay? Now, as you can see here, you could have a sales funnel software, you could have an email software with unlimited emails sent, you can create blogs. It's pretty insane what this software does, okay? I mean, they have paid versions of this, but as you can see, the free version is enough to get 2,000 email contacts and then pretty much do everything that you need inside of the software itself, okay? So I'm not gonna go over the full software just because I have a complete YouTube review on that. You guys can go check that out in this link right here. That's gonna show you a complete review of System.io. Now, the first way to make your first $1,000 with System.io is to simply become an affiliate of this software, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. But guys, people ask me all the time, well, if I become an affiliate for this software, how can I make money, right? Because it's absolutely free. Well, I'm gonna show you how. Now, guys, this is my System.io back office. And as you can see here, guys, this is a software that I've recently started promoting. And what's crazy is it's 100% free, right, for the user, but I've still made over $765 with this program, okay? So how does that work, right? How can I make that much money when this is a software that's 100% free, right? Well, what happens, guys, is people start using this free software and eventually their business grows, right? They don't have to go and shell out a couple $100s a month for their business. They can literally build their business for free. And once they cross the 2,000 contacts, right, then obviously they're gonna have to upgrade, okay? Which is a good thing, right? Now you have over 2,000 contacts. That means you're making money. So it's really easy to then pay for the $27 a month and the $47 and $97 as your business grows, right? Like for me, I started out with, obviously 0 contacts, and now we have over 190,000 contacts or email subscribers on our email list, right? So naturally your business grows, okay? So that's why I'm able to make money, because I'm able to give this software out for free for people to use, help somebody get started, but then eventually their business grows, okay? So how do we go and promote this software absolutely free, okay? And that's gonna tie into my other steps, which I'll mention later. But how can we do this just without any other steps, right? Well, the first way is YouTube. Now, guys, people need help building their business. So people are gonna go to YouTube and type in something like System.io tutorial, okay? So they're gonna go over here and they're gonna watch videos on how to use the software, okay? So you can go and create YouTube videos on how to use this software, why a free software can help them. As you can see here, this video has gotten me over 12,000 views and has helped me get a ton of people signed up under me, okay? Now, this is really cool to do, guys, because this video will last for years and years to come, and it's teaching people how to use this software for free. And once they start using the software, start making money with it, then eventually they upgrade, and that's where the money comes in, okay, guys? So that's the first step, right? This is how you can start making money with it, is promoting their software, right? As an affiliate, you get an affiliate link, right? So what you want to do is create YouTube videos and then send people from those YouTube videos, right? So if we create a YouTube video here, we show people how to use the software and we send them to this link here. So that's how you do it. That's how you can promote affiliate products. Now, it doesn't have to just be YouTube. You can go and create, you know, blogs on system.io, right? So we can go to system.io tutorial on Google. And if you don't want to go and create a YouTube video, you can go and create a blog, right? So you can go, for example, let me see if I can find a blog here. So LinkedIn review, so you can go and create one even on LinkedIn, guys, check that out here, and simply write a blog if you don't want to go and create a YouTube video. So that's a way you can do it as well. Now guys, the second way to make money with system.io as a complete beginner is by giving out a funnel. Now let me show you. Now guys, this strategy actually plays into strategy number 1, which is promote system.io as an affiliate, but this takes it a step further, okay? Instead of just saying, hey, go sign up for this software, now I'm giving somebody a practical way to get a certain result. Now, let me explain what I mean by that, okay? So if you're helping someone like make money online or helping someone with cryptocurrency or affiliate marketing, you can do this, okay? Now, this is a funnel that I give out to my students here, okay? So this is a funnel built in system.io, okay? As you can see here, this is powered by system.io. Okay, so we took this funnel and I give this to my students to promote as their own, okay? Not only that is I give them the funnel, but I also give them the resources that come with the funnel, right? So I'm like, hey, copy and paste this system.io funnel, and I want you to copy and paste this book. So I give them my book, I give them my funnel, and when I do that, I actually get a free sign up to system.io, okay? So it's essentially the same thing as sending someone to this link here. So I can send someone to this link and they could sign up as a system.io member, or I can take it a step further and say, hey, well, I'm going to give you this 7-figure funnel that has made me 7 figures, right? So me personally, so obviously if you don't have those results, that's fine. You can still give people funnels. But what I'm saying is that's what I'm doing here, right? So if this is the funnel, I can go and share this funnel, okay? So guys, system.io lets you share funnels, which helps you get more affiliate signups, okay? So what I mean by that is I can go over here and share this funnel. This link here, it gives someone, right? So if I give you this link here, you can literally copy and paste this link, and when someone does that, they get this whole funnel here, right? This is all done for them with one click, but more importantly, I get the affiliate sign up, okay? So this is where it becomes more powerful, because now I can make more money on the back end, okay? Because people are gonna have something practical to use, okay? So you can go and literally create some of these funnels yourself, or I can give you these funnels to give out as your own, okay? So I'm gonna talk about that a little bit later for the last part, okay? So that's the second thing, is giving out a funnel. Now guys, the third and final way to make your first $1,000 with system.io as a complete beginner is by giving out a free lead magnet that's gonna help promote the software, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. Now guys, I created this book, the Leave Your Soul Sucking 9-to-5 Blueprint, and within this book, guys, I have a ton of affiliate products that I promote, okay? So this is like a complete step-by-step book. It took me months to create because I wanted it to be a really good book, okay? Now, if I scroll down, I actually promote system.io within this book, okay? Now, this book has a ton of value in it, but if I go down, and I believe it's right here, okay? So you can see, check out system.io here, okay? So what's cool is I show people within this book how to leave their 9-to-5 job, but I give them the tools that they need to do that, right? So in this case, they need a tool like system.io to do that, to collect email leads, to build landing pages. So essentially, this step is taking it even a step further, right? So the first step is just simply, hey, here's my affiliate link, go and sign up, right? The second step is by giving out a funnel, which I talked about this right here, okay? And the third and final step is taking it even a step further and teaching people why they need the software, okay? So these steps honestly go hand in hand, but essentially we're doing affiliate marketing with every single one of these steps, okay? Now with this third and final step, it's, I think, the most important, because now you're teaching someone to use the software instead of just saying, hey, go and click on this link and, you know, use the software, right? Well, that might get people to sign up, but it might not get people to stick. So it's really important that you show people how to use it, okay? So within this book, there's a few different ways to promote System.io and multiple other products, guys. There's a ton of other products in this book here, okay? Now, guys, you can go and create your own book, which is gonna take you months or weeks to create, or you can copy and paste my exact book, okay, guys? I'm gonna practice what I preach, guys, because I do this and it works, okay? So I wanna help you guys build your business as well. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna allow you to use my exact funnel that I showed you, but I'm also gonna let you use the exact same book that I created and let you switch out your links, okay? So if you wanna go ahead and use that, 100% you can, okay? I'm gonna give you permission to do that, okay? Now, guys, if you want access to this funnel, to this book, then guys, I wanna invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's the first link in the description. And within that 3-day challenge, I believe on day 2, I show you guys how to set up this funnel, how to copy and paste that exact same book so you guys can use this as your own, okay, guys? And I only do this because I want you guys to get up and running to make your first $1,000 as soon as possible, okay, guys? Because this system takes time to build. It takes time to build the funnels, the books yourself. So I want to show you how to do it, but I also want to give you the resources to do it as fast as possible. So I'm gonna leave a link to that down below. And guys, I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.